It's raining.
And the mosquitoes are bad. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Playa del Carmen, rainy season, September, October. It's not friendly to walk around here if you're a couple, because there's so many obstacles. You gotta walk single file.
But it's beautiful with the sound of the rain. So it's very tranquil.
And it's hot. Like, it's hot and humid, which I like.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining at all. I'm just, you know, there are things you should know.
It's a fun adventure.
So we have gone on a long walk this morning up to Playa 88, and now we are walking towards Punta Esmeralda. I'd say so far the clearest water we've seen has been at Playa Car, but we're going to look at the cenotes that they have at Punta Esmeralda. So the state of the water at Punta Esmeralda is pretty sad. Sargasso is very bad. But right over here you can see the cenote. That water's pretty nice.
Even if it rains, it's not so bad.
No, it's lovely in the rain.
It's a hot and humid rain, which is amazing.
Wow, I hope it can capture the colors out there. Because right here it's still a little murky, but I can't wait till we get down to Playa Car.
If the camera can catch it, you can see there's like a division of beautiful blue water and then all dirty, murky from here. Basically, as soon as you get into Playa Car, it's clear.
Yeah.
And I wonder why.
But there's no Sargasso really on the shore. It's just a little murky.
Looks like they cleaned it quite a bit.
They do a good job over here.
Yeah. Oh, the water's so warm.
See, Tim is not a fish like I am, but this kind of water even makes him want to get in.
Yeah, I don't like swimming at all, really. But when it gets into the blue area, I can definitely see myself getting in that. Isn't it beautiful? Well, I hope you can see how beautiful this water is. Now, if only you could feel how warm it is. It feels like bath water. There's no shock at all when you get in it. This is what dreams are made of right here.
Pretty incredible.
It's so peaceful. We're technically in Playa del Carmen. On the other side in town, there's a lot of sargasso still, and the water is pretty murky. But it is September, and I know that will clear up in maybe another month or two, I suppose. You can get away from it if you need to. It's paradise. I think this is what paradise looks like.
Yes, this is absolutely stunning. It's paradise. I can't even believe we lived here. This is truly such a blessing. We're so thankful to God. This is incredible. So this reminds me of Neverland. I just imagine that Peter Pan is like sitting on the clouds with Wendy and Michael and Peter looking down on us.
It's magical.
It's incredible.
Absolutely magical.
Maybe Captain Hook's over there.
So we're at the DAC market, Frutas y Verduras, DAC, and it's right beside Soriana Mega in, I guess, Centro, Playa del Carmen. So I think this is definitely your best bet for fruits and vegetables, meat. Pretty good prices, actually.
Cool.
Oh, they have these big things of bone broth. Look at that. Big frozen things of bone broth.
That's cool. How much is it?
I don't see prices on anything here, so that's a little weird. All the prices on everything seem to be marked on the sides. Toronja, 24 pesos per kilo. Platanos, mango, mandarina. Look at, I like this, Mexican pumpkins. Calabaza. Ooh, the best juice oranges ever. 36. Coconuts, 26 pesos each. Now that's the best deal you're gonna find. Pitahaya. Now, I believe this is dragon fruit. I've never actually had one, so I don't know. But it feels like it wants to burst like a water balloon. I hope that's a good thing. Delicious curry paste. If you wanna kick it up a notch with amazing flavor, these pastes are the best. They have green, red, and yellow, and also Penang. All right, we just went to the DAC Frutas y Verduras market, which is in Centro Playa del Carmen near the Mega Soriana. This is what we got. We got 4 avocados, 2 coconuts, this yellow curry paste, and some pastor marinade. Look at the size of this mango, massive. Dragon fruit, 2 oranges, and some ground beef. And here's the price. The ground beef, quite expensive, 182 pesos. The curry paste, 215 pesos. I think these are more specialty items. And I think this ground beef, carne molida, I believe it's supposed to be, I suppose, a more natural product, grass-fed kind of thing. Total 723 pesos. Yeah, and you can see here, total dollars, US dollars, 42.58. Welcome to how not to cut open a coconut with a little knife. I have never done this before, so I'm hoping that there are no unfortunate accidents. So let's see if we can do this. Apparently we cut from the top end and we want to cut away the husk until we get to the shell, and then you can just kind of slice it when it's a young coconut. Let's see if I can do this. Not the best knife.
It was dull before you started.
Yes, I know. This is not smart.
Do not try this at home. The problem is our kitchen is very minimally prepped.
Well, if we're gonna make a habit of cutting open coconuts, then we definitely should go buy a bigger knife and a better knife.
You're always down to buy a bigger, better knife.
Exactly. I don't know if we're near it. I don't think so. Oh yeah, I can see it in there.
Oh, wait, I can't.
Wait. But actually, young coconuts, they really do,
Oh, it's open!
look at that. They're really soft actually. So, taste test. That's a great coconut. Actually, it was worth the effort. This is the first time I've ever done one, and it was pretty easy with a small little knife. It's soft. I think just with a little bit better knife, no problem at all. And here we go. And again, I guess we can cut it back some more to scoop out the flesh.
Nice.
You wanna try it?
Yes, I do. Good job, Tim.
Dragon fruit time. I have a feeling this is gonna be underwhelming.
I'm just here for emotional support.
You tried it before and you didn't like it.
I tried it probably 10 years ago, and I thought it had no flavor.
And that was in Oregon.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's any better in Mexico. Apparently, you really just kind of gotta scoop it out.
So sometimes they're white and sometimes they're red.
This one's white.
The one I tried was white.
Look at that. So there's two things. You can scoop it out with a spoon, or you can like,
Cut away.
yeah, go like this, and then you literally can just slip your finger under it, and it just comes right out.
Wow.
Like, look at that. Look at that.
That was satisfying.
I know, huh? I actually think that's really good.
Really?
I would call it a mix between pomelo and
Okay.
pear.
Pomelo.
And pear, but it's a little bland, but there's a nice fruitiness to it, like a pomelo and a pear. To me.
It's better than the one I had in Oregon.
That's improvement.
It is.
Do you taste the pomelo?
I do. I taste the pomelo. It is very mild. It's a very mild pomelo flavor. And texturally, it's similar to a kiwi and a pear for the texture. I'd say it's like a cross between the two.
I actually really like it. I think I can see why some people won't. It has the texture of a kiwi, but it has the flavor to me of a mix between pear and pomelo. It's impressive.
I'm surprised you like it though, because you like everything very sweet.
You're not fruits though. Like I like sweets when it comes to cheesecake and chocolate cakes and apple crisp. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
I like that kind of sweet. But when it comes to fruit, I usually don't like it because I find it too sweet. It's not my kind of thing. You know what I mean?
That's why you don't like it?
Yeah. But this is not sweet. It's very mild, and the texture's nice. So I'm sold on it. I like it.
So you'd eat it again?
I'd eat this again.
Do you hear the thunder? It's really loud thunder.
So I guess we're going on 3 weeks in Playa del Carmen as of tomorrow.
Yes, 3 weeks tomorrow.
It's been a great 3 weeks.
Yes. We are incredibly blessed to be here. We feel so privileged.
So I guess we thought we'd talk about a couple things about, it's a transition coming from Canada, and talk about the cost a little bit, maybe the weather, maybe some of our initial feelings and reactions to things. We rented this 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in Centro Playa del Carmen. and we pay 24,000 pesos a month with a 6-month lease.
That does not include electricity.
Yeah, no.
But everything else is included.
The whole building has reverse osmosis water plumbed in, but I don't trust that it's well maintained because we found algae in our glass of water. So.
Yeah, that was.
So we're not drinking that. So we're just buying the big garrafones, which are the big 5-gallon jugs from the local corner store. We live right beside a 7-Eleven, so we can just grab it anytime we want. I think they want 100 peso deposit for the bottle, but it's about 50 pesos for a refill to exchange it. So it's fair. Yeah.
Coming from Canada and having Canadian dollars, you're spending about the same as Canada.
I think the Canadian dollar is at near an all-time low when it comes to conversion against the peso. I think we're getting maybe 13 pesos on the dollar. Mm. Now we just need to somehow earn US dollars. That would be nice.
Yes, that is a goal.
Obviously, the sargasso is bad at this time of year. That will clear up. We are in rainy season, hurricane season until November, so we do have some time left for that. And we will be showing you videos of how that progresses and how the water clears up. We're going to take some trips. We're going to go to obviously Cozumel and Bacalar and Barida and probably Holbox, and Cancun and Isla Mujeres. I think that's our first trip coming up is Isla Mujeres. Mm-hmm. That's coming up first week of October. So we'll film that and get a video out. It's wonderful being here just for the humidity and the warmth. It can be difficult to get used to at first if you're not used to it, but but those are all wonderful problems to have.
Oh, absolutely.
So we've been getting our apartment looking nice. We've bought some nice plants, and there's a lot to get used to with setting up an Amazon account here, and talking to the drivers to get them to deliver your package, and figuring out where to pick up DHL packages, finding local food markets and where to get certain things. So we have a little video on some of the prices in the market that we found.
Say we've shopped all the major stores. We've gone to Soriana, both Chedraui's that are on this side of the highway. Yeah. We have gone to Walmart. We'd say Soriana has probably the best selection. Chedraui up by 38th, I believe, has a lot more imported goods than the Chedraui down by, what was it,
30th and 1st Street? Yeah. 30th Ave and 1st Street.
We're excited for the ocean to clear up a bit. We're just a block or two away from the ocean here in our place. That beach has been not swimmable since we got here, so we walked down towards Playa Car because the beaches seem to be consistently nice there.
Yeah, very nice. Playa Car always has the best beaches. I don't know why.
I really like Playa Car. Yeah. It's beautiful. It's quiet. There's lots of wildlife.
Yeah, there is.
Although I saw some wildlife over here the other day, the family of raccoons.
Yeah, those raccoons running through the house next door.
I didn't hear anyone scream, so.
Yeah.
We've been having a lot of fun exploring, and we've been slowly building up our tolerance to the heat and being out. We try to time things so we're out in the early morning or afternoon, evening, so we're not in the heat of the day.
Yeah. And I'm working too. I work from home, so I can do that for till the midday, and then we can go out when hopefully it's either cloudy or raining, which we like because it's cooler. But again, it won't last, so it's not a problem.
No, it's wonderful. And I love the rainy season too. It's really nice, especially when it's so humid and warm. You sit out in the rain and it feels refreshing.
It does. So if there's anything you want to see specifically, if there's anything you want to know, please comment below, let us know. Please like, subscribe, share this content. And as we grow, we're just a new channel. We have never done this before. We don't really know what we're doing.
And we're both very camera shy.
We're not camera people. We don't ever take pictures of ourselves or film anything. So this is all a huge new adventure for us. And we're learning as we go. So please help us grow, help us to get better. Please help us to make this a success, I suppose. And then we appreciate you. Thank you for watching.
And we would love if there are veterans here that know their way around, suggestions, beaches, day trips.
Yeah.
What do you love to do? Where do you love to eat?
Oh, yeah.
We would love any advice you have to give us.
Thank you.
Thank you.